What if I told you that I got 7.6 million views on my Facebook page in just 28 days without running of ads and paid promotions? In this video, I'm going to break it down step by step on how I did it, so you can also copy this strategy and get massive views. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, so that when I post more content like this, you will be the first to see it. Now I will show you how I gained 7.6 million views on my Facebook page. In today's video, I'm going to show you the strategy, how I actualize this, and I believe you also can get this if you use my strategy. Strategy number one, go to your Facebook watch and search for the most viewed videos. So let's go.
So all you have to do is to type Facebook watch, and when you click on your Facebook watch, this is what will happen. When you look at it, you see some numbers of videos here. These are numbers of video. My network is bad. Okay, these are numbers of videos. You see be saying 3.9 and other videos massive. Okay, you see 3.9 and you see massive numbers of views, 935k views. So look at it, 1.1 million views. So all you need to do now is to go to your niche. Now if you are in a comedy niche, you click on comedy. For me, my niche is street photography. So for me to create a content here, all I need to do is to check any video that has massive views. It's as simple as that. So when I check any video that, like this one, I have 33,000, 5.5k views, 4.1k views, so and so on and so forth. I can also come to relevant videos and check the videos that are relevant. So the strategy is this: for you to choose the highest numbers of views and do a similar content. You use their hashtags, you use their caption, but all you need to do is just to tweak it. When you post that particular video, there is every tendency for you to gain massive views. So that is how it works. So when I can also come to check recent videos, right? Now I can still come and check maybe videos that was posted a month ago, the one that was posted a week ago, and also videos that was posted maybe today. So if I click on today now, I'll check the recent videos that was posted some hours ago. You see, for those that are in comedy, you can also come and click here. The same strategy, you can come and see. You can sort for your days, sort for your those one in live videos days. You can sort for those that are relevant, most recent. So these are another way for you to gain massive views.
So number two strategy is to make your content easy and to share. I call it optimizing virality, and here is what you will focus on. Number one, hook in 3 seconds. It means that as viewers come into your page, the first 3 seconds of your video should keep them watching. Number two, keep your videos under 3 minutes. Here you can create shorts from those videos and post them on your reels. By so doing, is bringing more retention to your video. Number three, vertical format. A lot of people do post their videos on horizontal format, that is the TV screen 16:9. But what you ought to be doing is to post your video in vertical format, that is 9:16. When you are doing that, there is every tendency for you to gain more views. Number four, leveraging on those that are higher than you. So in your niche, you discover that there are a lot of pages that are bigger than yours. So all you have to do is to go to their page, the way they posted their video, you can recreate something like that, use their hashtag. Before you know, your page will blow up. These are the strategy that I do use. Number five, sound. Sound is very important for you to go viral. But remember, don't use copyright sound. If you are looking for free royalty sound, you can get most of them on YouTube. You can also go to Facebook library to see free sound for you to use. Don't use copyright sound. If not, it will affect your monetization. If you have an idea that, okay, this page is going to be monetized, you have to be careful in using your sound. So another strategy is posting at the right time. For you to have millions of views, you need to post at the right time. You need to post 6 a.m., you need to post 9 a.m., you still need to post 11 a.m., and you still need to post 4 p.m. If you are looking for the full details on posting at the right time, a video has been dropped on my link. So watch the video and know when to post at the right time. And another thing I will talk about is knowing the particular time your audience are online is so crucial, because when you post at that time when they are online, there is every tendency that your videos will go viral and you have massive views. But another thing that is so important is posting consistently. You need to post like 2 times, 3 times, or even 4 times in a day. When you keep posting, you start hitting the algorithm. Before you know, your reach start expounding, and different people that does not even follow you start following your page. And when they start following your page, you start having massive views, and that is what happened to my page. So I consistently post. Before you know, my videos start hitting 100,000, start hitting 200,000, 800,000. Before you know, 1 million. Before you know, 4 million. Before you know, 5 million. So and so on and so forth. So the thing is this: you have to be consistent. You have to post strategically for you to go viral. Another strategy for you to gain massive views is engagement hack. I'll say it again: engagement hack. This is a strategy. When you post your video, you go to your comment section and drop a comment there. You can ask, where are you watching from? Now you pin it. Once you pin it, people start reacting. This person can say, I am watching from US. The other person can say, I'm watching from United Kingdom. Another person can say, I'm watching from Canada. Another person can say, I'm watching from Germany. So and so on and so forth. So the more they are reacting to your videos and you are replying them, the algorithm picks you because there is an interaction on your comment. By so doing, you can still hit massive reach and have more views. And one thing that is so important is sharing your videos. The more you share your video, the broader your audience is. Another way you can have massive views is when you share on groups. Groups are so important. When you have 10 groups or 20 groups, you can share your videos on that group. And when you share to those groups, people on those groups will see your video. Once they watch your video on the group, there is every tendency that if your video is engaging, they will follow you on your page. And by so doing, you have massive views. So sharing on group are so important for you to hit millions of views, and that is what that has happened to me. And I will share this short story. I started posting my content. Then when I share to group, not all admin will approve my post. So what did I do? I located those that are selling groups. So I start buying group. Then I will share to my group. Now I'm now an admin to a group. So that can also encourage when you buy groups and share your videos there. The more groups you have, the more views you have. And another strategy for you to gain millions of views, which has also helped me, is repurposing your videos. You can repurpose your videos from TikTok. You can repurpose your videos from Instagram. You should understand that repurposing video is very essential. You can also post your long form videos, which are 3 minutes and above, and repurpose those videos on your reels by cutting 30 seconds to upload on your reels. By so doing, you can also gain massive views. Repurposing of video is so crucial. So you can check all the videos that you have posted for maybe 3-4 months and look at those videos. The one that went viral, you can go back to it and repurpose it. Just share 3 seconds of the video. You change the thumbnail, you change the caption, and repost it. You will still gain massive views. So it is so important to repurpose your video for you to gain massive views. And one thing you need to understand: reels go wider than long form videos. So if this strategy favors you, please like, share, subscribe on my channel so that when I post other video, you will be the first person to see it. And another thing that I will say is, if you have another strategy that can give you millions of views, you can also drop it on the comment section so that we can learn from each other. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.